Hi everyone, we're at 300 Darcy Street, Unit 202. This lovely 2-bedroom condo is situated in a great area, a short walking distance to the downtown, shops, restaurants, and the Cobourg beach. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the family room with a gas fireplace, open to the eat-in kitchen. The primary bedroom has double closets and a 3-piece ensuite. There's an additional bedroom with a walkout to the private patio and a 4-piece bath. The lower level has a large rec room, a den, a 3-piece bath, and a laundry room. A great feature is the cedar-lined closet.